In today's world, women are inundated with a plethora of products promising beauty, hygiene, and convenience. However, many of these products come with hidden health risks that can have serious long-term consequences. This video we will explore 6 common women's products that should be avoided and suggest healthier alternatives that are safer for both personal health and the environment. First, let's talk about conventional tampons. These are made from cotton, rayon, or a blend of both, and are designed to absorb menstrual blood. However, the problem lies in the materials and chemicals used in their production. Conventional tampons often contain pesticides, dioxins, and other harmful chemicals. One of the most alarming dangers is toxic shock syndrome, a rare but potentially fatal condition caused by bacterial toxins. TSS is associated with the use of high absorbency tampons that can create a favorable environment for bacteria to grow, especially if they are left in for too long. Symptoms of TSS include high fever, low blood pressure, vomiting, and rash, and it requires immediate medical attention. Additionally, these substances can cause irritation, allergic reactions, and even disrupt your hormonal balance. The synthetic fibers can also leave behind microscopic pieces in the vagina, increasing the risk of bacterial infection and irritation. Long-term exposure to these chemicals, even in small amounts, can accumulate in the body and lead to serious health problems over time. Healthier alternatives include organic cotton tampons, which are free from harmful chemicals and synthetic fibers. They reduce the risk of TSS and other health issues associated with conventional tampons. Another excellent alternative is menstrual cups. These are reusable, eco-friendly, and made from medical-grade silicone, rubber, or latex. Menstrual cups do not contain harmful chemicals and are cost-effective in the long run. They also reduce waste, making them an environmentally friendly option. Let's look into chemical-based deodorants. Chemical-based deodorants are designed to mask body odor and reduce sweating. They contain various chemicals such as aluminum compounds, parabens, and synthetic fragrances. These deodorants often contain aluminum compounds, which have been linked to breast cancer and Alzheimer's disease. Aluminum works by blocking sweat glands to prevent sweating, but this can interfere with the body's natural detoxification process. Sweating is essential for regulating body temperature and removing toxins from the body. Moreover, these products frequently include parabens and phthalates, which are known endocrine disruptors. These chemicals can interfere with hormone function, leading to reproductive issues, developmental problems, and other health complications. Parabens, used as preservatives, can mimic estrogen in the body and have been detected in breast tissue, suggesting a potential link to breast cancer. Phthalates are used to make fragrances last longer and have been associated with various health problems, including hormonal imbalances, reduced fertility, and birth defects. Fragrance additives in deodorants can also cause skin irritation and allergic reactions. These fragrances are often made from a complex mixture of chemicals, some of which can be harmful when inhaled or absorbed through the skin. Long-term use of chemical-based deodorants can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body, increasing the risk of chronic health issues. Therefore, it's advisable to avoid using chemical-based deodorants. Healthier alternatives include natural deodorants, which offer a safer and healthier option. These products use ingredients like baking soda, coconut oil, and essential oils, which provide effective odor control without harmful chemicals. Baking soda neutralizes odors, while coconut oil has antibacterial properties. Essential oils not only add pleasant scents, but also offer antimicrobial benefits. It's important to look for natural deodorants that are free from aluminum, parabens, phthalates, and artificial fragrances to ensure the best protection for your health. Sulfate-containing shampoos, the hidden dangers. Sulfate-containing shampoos are popular for their ability to create a rich lather and effectively cleanse the hair. Sulfates are surfactants that help remove dirt and oil from the scalp. However, they can also strip away natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. This can result in brittle hair, scalp irritation, and even hair loss in severe cases. The scalp's natural oils are essential for maintaining moisture and protecting the hair and scalp from environmental damage. For individuals with sensitive skin or conditions like eczema, sulfates can exacerbate symptoms and cause significant discomfort. Sulfates can penetrate the skin and disrupt the skin barrier, leading to increased sensitivity and inflammation. Additionally, sulfates can damage the hair cuticle, making hair more prone to frizz and split ends. Over time, regular use of sulfate-containing shampoos can weaken the hair and lead to a dull, lifeless appearance. Sulfates can also have environmental impacts. They are derived from petroleum, a non-renewable resource, and can contribute to water pollution when washed down the drain. Sulfates can harm aquatic life by disrupting the balance of ecosystems and causing bioaccumulation of toxins in the food chain. Healthier alternatives include sulfate-free shampoos, which clean hair gently without stripping away essential moisture. These shampoos often use milder surfactants like cocamidopropyl betaine, derived from coconut oil, to cleanse without causing irritation. Natural hair cleansers, such as apple cider vinegar rinses, can also be effective. Apple cider vinegar helps balance the scalp's pH, removes buildup, and adds shine to hair. Other natural ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, and tea tree oil can provide additional benefits for hair and scalp health. Now let's move on to synthetic fragrances. These fragrances are added to skincare products to provide a pleasant scent, but they are made from various chemicals, some of which can be harmful. These chemicals can cause skin irritation and allergic reactions, including contact dermatitis, characterized by red, itchy, and inflamed skin. Fragrance allergies are common, and repeated exposure to synthetic fragrances can lead to sensitization, where the skin becomes more reactive over time. Inhalation of synthetic fragrances can lead to respiratory issues, headaches, and other health problems. Volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, in synthetic fragrances can contribute to indoor air pollution and cause respiratory irritation, particularly in individuals with asthma or other respiratory conditions. Long-term exposure to VOCs can also increase the risk of chronic respiratory diseases. Many synthetic fragrances contain phthalates, which are endocrine disruptors that can interfere with hormonal balance and lead to reproductive and developmental problems. Phthalates are absorbed through the skin and can accumulate in the body, potentially causing long-term health effects. Studies have linked phthalate exposure to reduced fertility, developmental issues in children, and increased risk of hormone-related cancers. Synthetic fragrances can also mask the presence of other harmful chemicals in skincare products. Manufacturers are not required to disclose the specific ingredients in fragrance formulations, making it difficult for consumers to identify and avoid potentially harmful substances. It's best to avoid skincare products with synthetic fragrances and choose fragrance-free products or those scented with natural essential oils. Essential oils like lavender, chamomile, and rose not only add pleasant scents, but also offer therapeutic benefits for the skin. Products labelled unscented may still contain masking fragrances, so it's essential to read ingredient lists carefully. Opting for skincare products that use natural, non-irritating ingredients can help maintain healthy skin and reduce the risk of adverse reactions. This next product is something most women use every single day. Plastic food containers. Why they are bad. Plastic food containers are widely used for storing and transporting food, but they can pose serious health risks. These containers are made from various types of plastic, some of which can leach harmful chemicals like BPA, bisphenol A, and phthalates into food. BPA is a known endocrine disruptor and has been linked to cancer, obesity, and developmental issues. Studies have shown that even small amounts of BPA can have significant health effects, particularly for developing fetuses and young children. BPA exposure can interfere with normal hormone function, leading to a range of health problems, including reproductive disorders, metabolic issues, and increased risk of certain cancers. Phthalates, which are used to make plastics more flexible, can also leach into food and have been associated with various health problems. Phthalate exposure has been linked to hormonal imbalances, reduced fertility, and developmental issues in children. Long-term exposure to phthalates can increase the risk of chronic health conditions and negatively impact overall health. Additionally, plastic waste is a significant environmental problem, contributing to pollution and harming wildlife. Single-use plastics, in particular, add to the growing issue of plastic pollution in oceans and landfills. Plastics can take hundreds of years to decompose, and during this time, they can release harmful chemicals into the environment. Wildlife can ingest plastic debris, leading to injury, illness, and death. Healthier alternatives. Healthier alternatives include glass or stainless steel containers, which do not leach harmful chemicals and are more environmentally friendly. These materials are durable, non-reactive, and can be safely used in the microwave, oven, and dishwasher. Glass containers are easy to clean and do not retain odors or stains, making them a hygienic option for food storage. Stainless steel containers are lightweight, durable, and resistant to corrosion. BPA-free plastics are also available, offering a safer choice for those who prefer the convenience of plastic. However, it's essential to ensure that these plastics do not contain other harmful chemicals. Using reusable silicone bags and beeswax wraps can also reduce reliance on single-use plastic bags and wraps, further contributing to environmental sustainability. Silicone bags are flexible, durable, and can be used for storing food, packing lunches, and even cooking. Beeswax wraps are a natural alternative to plastic wrap, made from cotton fabric coated with beeswax, jojoba oil, and tree resin. Let's move on to chemical sunscreens. Chemical sunscreens are designed to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. They contain various chemicals such as oxybenzone, avobenzone, and octinoxate. These chemicals can be absorbed through the skin and may cause skin irritation, allergic reactions, and even disrupt your hormonal balance. Ingredients like oxybenzone and octinoxate are hormone disruptors that can penetrate the skin and interfere with the endocrine system. Oxybenzone has been detected in human breast milk, urine, and blood, indicating widespread exposure and potential health risks. These chemicals are also harmful to marine life, contributing to coral bleaching and damaging ocean ecosystems. When these chemicals wash off in the ocean, they can accumulate in coral tissues, causing stress and leading to the decline of coral reefs. Coral reefs are vital to marine biodiversity, providing habitat and food for a wide range of marine organisms. The decline of coral reefs can have a cascading effect on marine ecosystems, affecting the health and survival of numerous species. Chemical sunscreens can also cause skin irritation and allergic reactions in some individuals. The combination of multiple active ingredients in chemical sunscreens can increase the risk of skin sensitivity and adverse reactions. Chemical sunscreens need to be applied 20 minutes before sun exposure to be effective, and they may degrade faster when exposed to sunlight, requiring more frequent reapplication. It's better to opt for mineral-based sunscreens instead. Mineral sunscreens, which use zinc oxide or titanium dioxide, provide a safer alternative. These physical blockers sit on the skin's surface to reflect UV rays rather than being absorbed into the skin. Mineral sunscreens are less likely to cause skin irritation and are safe for sensitive skin and children. They offer broad-spectrum protection against both UVA and UVB rays and work immediately upon application. Mineral sunscreens are also reef-safe, meaning they do not harm marine life or contribute to coral bleaching. When choosing a mineral sunscreen, look for products that are non-nano, meaning the particles are large enough not to be absorbed into the skin or ingested by marine organisms. Non-nano zinc oxide and titanium dioxide are considered safe and effective ingredients for sun protection, providing a physical barrier against UV radiation. In conclusion, while many common women's products promise convenience and effectiveness, they often come with hidden health risks that can have serious long-term consequences. By switching to healthier alternatives, women can protect their health and contribute to a more sustainable environment. Organic cotton tampons, natural deodorants, sulfate-free shampoos, fragrance-free skincare, glass food containers, and mineral sunscreens offer safer options that help avoid harmful chemicals and support overall well-being. Making informed choices about the products we use daily is essential for maintaining good health and protecting the planet. It's important to be mindful of the products we use daily, as many can have significant impacts on our health and well-being. By choosing safer, natural alternatives, we can reduce our exposure to harmful chemicals and support overall health. Always consult with your healthcare provider for personalised advice on the best products for your specific needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. What products have you switched out for healthier alternatives? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, taking small steps towards healthier choices can make a big difference. Before trying anything mentioned in this video, be sure to read labels carefully and conduct your own research. Remember, this content is for entertainment purposes only, and your health and safety come first. See you in the next video.